Welcome to the Atlantis Studio, where it's all about communication, arts, honesty, and leadership. Here you can reflect on your life journey and become conscious about your challenges, successes, and learnings, expressing them in various styles. In the journal, you can write about your development experience on a daily basis and answer trigger questions to get a meta perspective in its interviews. The notes are a tool to collect, order, and access your thoughts in a structured way so that nothing goes amiss that you deem important to note down. In the story, you can take all your experiences and transform them into consumable and relatable content for yourself and people you want to share it with in your own style and flavor. The poetry is a place of art where you can leaf through other legends' poetic creations and get creative yourself. In the messages, you'll see Collagen notifications, messages from other Collagen users, and your Dual Body's shared status messages. The last portal is our news archive, where you can read through blog posts, event articles, and more.